Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this POCO. You need to start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck, like that. Following that, install this free app from Flare2 developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, select Open. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!